Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am here with this ScareCrow look. I saw a few people do this on Pinterest. I'm not sure who started this, but I was really inspired by these two pictures right here. Again, I'm not sure who did these two looks, but if you guys know who they are, let me know down below because I definitely want to credit them. But yes, I absolutely love this look. I think it looks pretty good. And excuse this, but I didn't even realize I had to glue down my brow. So you see my brow, but if you're doing this, I would highly recommend that you do that first. I don't know how to do that, and I totally forgot to, so that's why you see my brow. And yes, if you guys want to see how to get this look right here, then just keep on watching. Alright, going right into the Morphe 3502 palette, I'm taking this dark brown shade and buffing that directly into my crease, kind of stopping halfway, and I keep building this color up until it's super dark because you want this color to be super dark. This is going to be the middle of the flower. Now going in with some concealer, I'm carving out halfway into my crease. You guys see me do this all the time. And then going back into that Morphe palette, I'm taking this gold shimmer shade. The reason I applied this before the glitter is so the glitter doesn't peek through and you don't see any skin. Taking some glitter glue, I'm applying that right over top and then going in with my gold glitter. I'll leave everything that I'm using down below for you guys. Now this is the part where I told you don't need your brow, so I recommend that you glue down your brow right after you're done doing this or even before. So as you see here, I have my brow, but what you're going to see in a second is I took my brow off and I did my foundation and concealer and all that stuff. And now you do see my brow still, like I told you guys. It was way too much to have to glue down it. I tried to do it and it just didn't work. It was messing up the eyes. So I just left my brow there and I'm taking my brown, this is the e.l.f. brown eyebrow pencil, and I'm taking that and just making the leaf petals and then going in with yellow eyeshadow from the Morphe 35 something. I'll leave it down below for you guys. It's a colorful palette. I'm taking that and I'm taking some elixir. I'll leave everything I'm using down below for you guys and mixing that to create kind of like a paint. And yeah, I'm just going over them with yellow and then going back in with the pencil and just creating them petals. It's really hard to explain, but just go ahead and watch. It's actually fairly easy once you get the hang of it, but I highly recommend using like a pencil like this first so you can erase it, and then you'll see me later go back in with something else to make them a little bit more darker. But as you see, just going in with that yellow eyeshadow just to make them yellow, like a sunflower. And by the way, you guys can see here, I just finished up the eyes by popping on some lashes, and all I did was smoke at the bottom lash line. We're using that same brown that we used in the beginning. And then as you see here, just going back in with that pencil and just redrawing the petals, because when you put the paint it gets a little bit messy and lost, so just make sure you redraw them petals back in. Going back into that Morphe 3502 palette, I'm taking this like hot red orange shade. I'm popping that right all around my eye because as you guys know, sunflowers have like them faded effects with yellow and orange, so that's what I'm doing, and then I'm going ahead and blending that all out. This really brought the look together, so I highly recommend doing this and taking your time, really making sure the yellow is nicely blended with the orange. Now I'm taking an eyeliner. This is the MAC felt tip liner, and I'm taking that, and as you guys see, I'm just tracing over the petals. This really brought the look together as well. This made them darker. It really made it stand out. So definitely take your time with this. I pointed the tips a little bit out for the petals, which I liked a lot. And yeah, I'm just tracing over them. Then I'm taking some white eyeliner. Mine is like running out, so I can barely use it, but I'm taking that, adding little specks, kind of like glares on the flower. I loved doing this. It looked so realistic, so I highly recommend doing this step. Now for the nose, we're just taking the black eyeliner that we use and doing a circle. I kind of wish I did more of a triangle shape, but it's totally up to you. And I'm taking that glitter and putting it right in the center. I also kind of wish I did stitches on it, so if you want to do that, that would be really cool. And just putting the glitter right in the circle and, you know, making a nose. Now doing the mouth, as you guys see, I already went ahead and put some lipstick on and leave it down below. I'm creating two lines from my mouth with that eyeliner and creating stitches on the side, and then drawing some lines from my lips all the way down, and that is it for the mouth. Now finishing up the flower, I'm just adding 2 leaves on each side with that same eyeliner and then going in with some green eyeshadow, dark and light green. I'm mixing them together, kind of create like an ombre effect, and then going back in with that liner to darken up the leaf a little bit, and that is it for the flower. As you guys already see, I have bronzer on to finish up the face. I'm just adding a little bit of highlight, and that is it for this Halloween look. All you have to do is add a straw hat, and we are done. I hope you guys really enjoy this look. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!